if x and y are connected parametrically by the equations without eliminating the parameter, like if x is equal to root over a sine inverse t and y is equal to root over a cos inverse t, then we need to show that dy by dx is equal to minus y upon x. So here both x and y variables are connected with the parameter t. So let's differentiate both x and y with respect to t. So if x is equal to root over a to the power sine inverse t, so we can write this as a to the power of sine inverse t whole to the power of 1 by 2. So let us simplify, let us find differentiation by using logarithm. Take logarithm on both the sides. So we have log x is equal to log of a to the power of sine inverse t whole to the power of 1 by 2, or we can also write it as log x is equal to 1 by 2 times of log of a to the power of sine inverse t. Or we can also write, further we can write it as log x is equal to 1 by 2 sine inverse t into log a. Now let's differentiate with respect to t. So differentiation of log x is 1 upon x into dx by dt is equal to 1 upon 2 log a is constant. So differentiation of sine inverse t is 1 upon root over 1 minus t square. Differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 by root over 1 minus x square. So differentiation of sine inverse t is 1 upon root over 1 minus t square. So we can still further write it as dx by dt is equal to, so we can write here x times log a upon 2 times root over 1 minus t square. So this is your dx by dt. Now let us consider y. Let's consider y here. So y is equal to root over a to the power of cos inverse t so which can also be written y is equal to a to the power of cos inverse t whole to the power of 1 by 2. Again take log on both the sides. So we had log y is equal to, so I can write directly 1 by 2 times cos inverse t times log a, just as before. So now differentiate with respect to the parameter t. So we have 1 upon y dy by dt is equal to 1 by 2 log a is common constant, and differentiation of cos inverse t we can write minus 1 upon root over 1 minus t square. So that we'll have dy by dt is equal to y times or minus y log a upon 2 times of root over 1 minus t square. So this is your dy by dt. So and hence now dy by dx can be taken as, therefore dy by dx is dy by dt upon dx by dt. So which is equal to dy by dt is minus y times log a upon 2 times root over 1 minus t square divided by x times of log a divided by 2 times root over 1 minus t square. So we can cancel this, the terms. So we had minus y upon x. So hence proved. As we need to prove dy by dx is equal to minus y upon x, we proved it. Okay, thank you.